Here we are. We're doing this is how you do version 5. Basically, this is our SL-5 bag. You get part A, you get the part B goo. All this is stuff you might want to pick up. Is xylene. It's easy for easy cleanup. Your bottle comes. It's an applicator bottle. You get that. Your 32 ounces of rock per kit. Got some plastic gloves here if you want to use that to keep your hands clean. And so go ahead and open the bottle in the bag. Simply set it over the bucket, which you get at Home Depot. It's a 2-gallon bucket. Just cut the bag and boom, there it goes. Simple as that. And just put the one, and then have some put it in. And that's why this is here, so you can put the trash in its trash. Now we have the part B. Simply cut it. A little easier to control because it's not as large. Cut the lid off. Pour your activating goo in. You'll notice there's about 16 ounces of stones, little tiny stones in the A. That is for to prevent leakage through the joint if you didn't get your sand in perfectly. Now you take your handy mixer. Mixed up our product. It's 3 minutes later. We cut a little V in our plastic bucket so it's easy to hit the hole. Now some can get a funnel and cut. If you do use a funnel, you'll want to make sure that you cut the funnel so it's as wide as the opening of the bottle, and then you can use a funnel like this. But you would definitely want to cut it there and have it inside so you can have a bigger hole to hit, but it'll go in just as fast. So that's one. All right. See, we were doing this job the other day and we ran out, didn't have enough. We set it so deep. So we're back the second day. If you have that situation, you just want to blend it like so, and you'll be fine. And just pick up where you left off. So you don't have to finish it all in one day if you don't want to. Now you see how to blend it, and you'll never know that's where you had the stopping point. Now just simply squeeze it in. And let it self-level. Simple as that. Tricks to know. You want to maybe not go all the way flush to the top of the coping stone and deck, because when you put the rocks in, it'll bring it all to level. You want to definitely have it a 1/2 inch thick, just because that's more product than anybody else would put in the industry, so you're better off. The more surface area you touch, the longer the seal is going to last. You'll notice when you remove your old, it will not be as thick as it was when it goes in the second time. We got our 32 ounces for each kit. You get 32 ounces of topping rocks, and you just simply apply like so. You don't have to do it after each kit. You can do it at the end of the job. Stuff stays very tacky for up to 4 hours, workable up to 3.